Papa, here's your shoes. Papa, say thank you.
Thank you, baby. You want this one for me?
And...
Good. Wait, hold it tight. It's big. Up the other side. Like this. This, see?
Okay na. Like this?
Yes. Now do the bunny ears. Good girl.
Masayang namasyal at nag-shopping ang mag-amang sina Chris Lawrence at ang anak nila ni Katrina Halili na si Katie. Kitang-kita ang tuwa sa mukha ni Katie habang pumipili ng mga bagong damit at sapatos kasama ang kanyang ama. Hands-on si Chris sa pagtulong kay Katie na pumili ng mga bagay na gusto nito, na lalo pang nagpapatibay sa kanilang bonding bilang mag-ama. Isa itong quality time na talaga namang kapwa nila na enjoy, at makikitang espesyal ang bawat sandali ng kanilang pagsasama.
Papa, I want this one.
Okay.
I changed my mind.
Hi, guys.
Papa!
Yes, this
I
one?
want this.
6.
Yes.
6.5.
Papa, here's your shoes. Papa, say thank you.
Thank you, baby. You want this one for me?
And
Sobrang
also,
break
I
naman
pick
to.
you the premium shirt. Can this be yours? Papa, can this be yours?
Oh, big. Malaki na.
Kuya, ate
Maybe-
malaki po.
6.5? Para magamit mo ng matagal?
Sa school or panglakad. Ay.
Ah, meron. Is it fit or is it too big?
It fitted. Red na.
Oh, you want to try it?
Like this. Kasha.
Kasha? Can you walk?
Oh, yun, I need to.
Good. Wait, hold it tight. It's big. Up the other side. Like this. This, see?
Okay na. Like this?
Yes. Now do the bunny ears. Good girl. See?
This.
It's tighter. How do you like it? Want to walk? Para maluwag, baby.
Oo nga.
Good, that looks good on you.
Papa, can you fix this?
Of course One big. Okay?
Okay.
Keep it tight. You do the bunny ears. Okay? See the bunny ears? It's tight. Then you pull this until it's tight. But see, look, lift it up. Yan, keep it there. Gusto shoes. Yung shoes mo pang tennis daw. So your mom wants me to get you something for tennis. Because I think she's gonna have you play tennis with her. Which one do you want for tennis? White?
Yeah.
And now we're gonna pick out, she wants me to get you an outfit for your tennis.
Papa, ito na lang shoes ko. Isa lang.
Ayaw mo nang yung black? Sure ka?
Yes.
Mas gusto mo yan?
Apo.
Okay.
Maganda na to eh. Okay.
Sure ka? Ayaw mo ng dalawa?
Ayaw ko na yung
Wait.
black kasi gusto ko yung ito na lang.
Is it comfortable?
Yes.
Oh, it's pretty big here.
Even though.
But it's okay.
Yeah.
Because
Can you fix?
Because you're gonna grow, right?
Yeah.